You trying to sell it?
I ain't on count. I gotta say shit. But what I paid for it, like I said, 12 years apart. So I got in that bitch. I really just trying to.
You trying to even out a little bit?
Even out.
But what do you want? What you would take? You personally, what you would take for it? That you would be comfortable with? Like.
Shit, somebody bring me 2 and add that.
So 2 flat, you let it go for 2. So you'll sell it for 2 right now.
What I got
right now, you'll let it go.
What I got into it, hell yeah.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Cause when you told me that, I was like, damn. Cause I already know what the bike. I know it run good.
Yeah, I know.
I fixed it. I touched it. So when you said that, I was like, hold up, nah.
Yeah, you feel me?
I might just grab it.
I'm finna grab some new shit anyway.
Oh, you ain't even trying to.
I was
You
trying to
did.
fit you, but you feel me?
Nah, I'm not, bro. It's a good bike though. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good bike now. For 150, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I already know.
You might not even want to sell it after you ride it.
I'm like, yeah, let me ride.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. You might not even want to sell it. You might not even want to sell it.
Hey, you don't be choking a bit?
Oh no, I ain't using it. Well, you can choke it sometime in the morning if you want to, but I really don't choke it. Oh yeah, he got a lemon. This a lemon. Yeah, this is a lemon. Something else wrong with this bike.
Yeah, I was just say that bitch was sounding.
It was
strong as hell.
yeah.
Strong as hell when you was just behind me, that bitch that sounded so strong.
Yeah, he just brought this
What,
bike.
that's a 100?
This is 100, but somebody else rebuilt this motor. Oh, so he was telling me he didn't know what was wrong with it. So now he got another problem with this bike. Cause at first I never test rode it.
Well, it just died out.
It just died out.
Like a lost spark or some shit.
Well, the back tire locked up a little bit. So whoever rebuilt this motor,
might be bottom end.
yeah, he didn't. Yeah, they didn't do a good job.
Yeah, that bitch locked up for real though?
Yeah, I swear to God, it just locked up on me, I swear. See if I can push start it. Yeah, y'all. Something else wrong with this bike. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all, this bike just, the back tire just locked up on me. Yeah, y'all, the back tire just definitely locked up on me on this bike. So he have a bigger problem that's going on with this bike, y'all. Whoever rebuilt this motor for him before, they didn't do a good job. Yeah, they didn't do a good job on this bike, y'all. So he might have to go ahead and get him a complete rebuild kit for this bike. Yeah, that back tire definitely just had locked up on me. Yeah, y'all. So we got to see what's going on, man. We definitely got to see what's going on. Yeah, he got another problem. Yeah, I swear to God, this back tire just locked up on me. I swear to God, but I didn't touch this bike. Like, I just, you know, yeah, I just went around it. But from what he told me, somebody else rebuilt the motor for him. Yeah. So, you know, cause that's what I'm saying. So he might need a rebuild kit. Bro, I swear that's why I don't like getting on, like, cause I haven't really touched this bike. You feel me? Yeah. I don't like getting on bikes I didn't touch, bro. Yeah. See what just happened? I just look like a lemon. Bro, I just look like a lemon, bro. I ain't even touched this bike. I tried to bend a few corners with you.
Strong, though. Shit, I heard when you was coming behind me.
That's why I kept going. I was like, oh, it feels good. I'm good. That bitch locked up on around the corner, man.
Damn. That probably what was doing on him.
Man, I'm trying to bend corners with you. Oh, bro. Damn. Yeah, he locked up, though. He locked up. He got a problem. It's about
like it flooding out or something.
Oh, yeah, and the carburetor leaking.
Goddamn, float might be stuck in that bitch.
Yeah, bro, this bike is...
I don't like seeing shit like that on bike.
What that?
Oh, that silicone.
Oh, yeah, damn, that's like JB gasket maker?
Yeah, right there, too.
Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah, he gon'... I don't know. He gonna have to put something into this bike, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. This bike got a lot of little problems.
2 strokes ain't too bad, though, to rebuild them bitches.
Yeah, 2 strokes.
Hopefully his cases and shit straight.
Bruh, that's what I'm saying. That's why when people bring me bikes, bro, that have been touched by other mechanics, then they want to bring it to me, because is the bike still ain't right? Yeah. This is the kind of problem we have. Yeah. Now, say I would have just went around his motor, like just did a carburetor clean and...
You'd have got that bitch back road, that bitch...
Locked up.
Something else would happen. You'd have swear you did.
Locked up down the street.
You swear you did.
Bruh, hey, it's on. That's why I'm glad it just happened. You know what I'm saying? Because I never rode the bike. So, yeah, he got the other mechanic, he ain't do something right, bro.
You tested that bitch out for him, though.
Yeah, this was a test ride. Yeah, he gonna need a most likely a rebuild kit, though. That crank locked up. Yeah, something locked up.
That transmission.
But then it crunked back up and still was riding good. Yeah, I'm probably, damn, man.
Oh, that bitch locked up.
Yeah, locked up. Like real time, I felt it like.
It might be that goddamn crank season over there.
Oh, that crank probably season. Like them crank bearings.
Starting to see the bearings going bad in that bitch.
Damn, boy, I feel bad for this bike though, cause this bike gonna need some stuff.
Yeah, shit.
Pocket bike throttle. But how your bike running though? This one running good?
Nah, that bitch ain't one. Like that bitch.
Damn, man.
I said that bitch hit.
Yeah, I tried to go around, which I'm trying to.
Damn. But yeah, that bitch, it's doing what it do for sure. Like I say, shit. Before I brought it to you and shit like that, like I say, I used to have to kick this bitch. Boot time.
Oh yeah, when we was out there. Well, it cranked up first kick out there.
I think
it was first kick.
I think because how I'm moving around in that truck and shit like that.
Yeah, you were maneuvering it, tilting it.
Yeah, shit like that. That bitch cranked up first kick. When I told
damn, dog.
Yeah, how about when I dropped the bike off the beat, that bitch cranked first kick.
That bitch first kick.
I'm talking about like I used to ride my son around on that bitch. And I used to have to give him her so I can goddamn
get it right real quick.
Yeah, I'm talking about really be kicking. That's why I got these on.
Oh yeah. Hey, I see. As soon as I open the guy, I say, "Oh yeah, he came to kick. He. Hey, this thing is butter now though.
Yeah,
it's butter now.
Know what to do now for sure.
I'm not gonna lie, I like this 150 though. I like this 150. To be a 08, this bike run good, bro.
Yeah, it run good. Like the powered up.
It run good. Damn, man. I'm trying to pull another. Yeah, go ahead. I'm see if I can get me another bike to pull out real quick, man. I'm about to put this back down. Damn, man. Yeah, I don't even even trust this one. I'm gonna go get another bike. What, you want me to turn the idle up a little bit for you?
Shit.
Is it too low a little bit?
To be honest, I don't really know where this bike's supposed to sit at. Cause like I say, I ain't had this bike too long. Like when I sent you that picture, like I say, that was the next day when I got this bike. So
Oh yeah, I be forgetting. Okay.
I had only really rode this bike probably like say a weekend or two type shit.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Like,
But I ain't gonna lie, this bike, I might grab it though. I might grab it from you. I might grab it.
like I say, I know this bit don't got no title in it. I know the ports on this bit too. The ports need to work on.
Oh yeah, you saying I got the title.
Yeah. I know the ports need to work on this bit. Like I said, besides that though, like I said, it's a good bike. I know the bit.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I
Yeah.
fuck with it. I like it. Me personally.
Yeah, I know you say you like the 150s and shit like that. Cause like I said, I'm finna go grab me a 450.
Oh yeah, you over with. You're not trying to play the 150 no more.
Bro, for real. I ain't gonna lie. Since I done been off this bit, I was like, bro, damn, I gotta get me another 450, bro. I'm gonna get back.
Oh yeah, now you ready?
Yeah.
Cause we were talking about that last time. You like, nah, I'm gonna play with the 150 for a little bit.
Yeah.
That's what you were saying. But now it's to the point where I don't
This
even.
bit got me feeling now like this bit, like this bit too small for me.
The
now.
back race, everything.
Yeah, that bit quick.
Yeah, y'all, man, I'm gonna have to put this one back, brother. Motor locked up. So, the old mechanic did do a good job on this bike, y'all.
Bit doing it, huh?
Now, I ain't gonna lie, it's very healthy, nah.
Yeah, this bit right here. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, I cannot believe that what that was, a 185? Man. I don't even know what to say, bro. I don't even know what the hell to say, bro.
Yeah, man.
We trying to bend corners. That bit caught me off guard. I'm like, yeah, we finna get in the wind. I felt that bit. I said, oh, it's over with.
Now I see you were hanging out on that bit. I said, damn, you must be just tighten that bitch
Bro,
up.
that's what I'm saying. It make you think I didn't play with it, but
Well, I seen the pipe on that bit. I said, nah, he probably didn't touch that bit.
yeah, I ain't touch it. Bro, I swear to God, I didn't even touch it, bro.
Yeah.
I just went off of his word. Like I'm thinking, see, with that bike, exactly, thinking it's A1.
Yeah.
I'm going off his word. Like, okay, I'm trusting the old
He ain't
mechanic.
really ride that bit too much though.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Saying he don't too much even ride his bike anyways like that.
Yeah, see, probably
You know?
ain't really.
But I know what just happened to me. I'm not tripping. I know it locked up.
That bit probably,
Man.
ain't never ride a bike like that.
Bro, I felt it. Like I know this bike locked up on me, bro. I'm not tripping, bro. I know for sure this bike locked up on me, bro.
Cranking that bit.
It's-
Bearings probably see it off.
Yeah, it gotta be that bottom man though. Damn, dog. And I just sent him like a little parts list for that bike, like plastics and so I'm about to break the news to him.
Hopefully them catches ain't bad though. You see
That's what I'm saying. I might have to just go ahead and pull the motor part real quick just to double check, cause this old mechanic is crazy, bro.
Can't really work behind them.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm living.
And it's sad to say that bike, it sounds good, but
Yeah, it sound good though. That's what I said. That bit, I thought that bit sound like a 125. You know? It sound like that.
that'd be like what, 50% limit? Damn, man.
But yeah, though.
She feels good. Yeah, man.
Cause see, my plan was when I when you up talking about come and get the bit Saturday and shit like that. I was trying to go get it like Saturday.
Out the gate.
Out the gate. That one,
So you're trying to pick this up, then go get the 450?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I was trying to get you.
God! Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't.
That's what I was trying to get you.
Hey, this nigga, hey, what the hell?
Like that. I told you, bro. I gotta go on.
Bro, you ain't playing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You ain't playing now.
But them bikes around my way
Bro,
getting
what
faster,
the
though.
hell?
I gotta go and start up, bro.
So you forget about the 150, like. Hey, what? Bro, what the hell, bro? Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That just throwed me though. That boy said, y'all trying to come Saturday, so when I get this, I'm gonna get the 450 out the gate. Yeah, yeah.
That was the plan.
Yeah, this just was a play bike for now.
That, like that, like I said, I got like 7 acres and shit like that. I was just riding this around the yard and shit like that. Like, say I ain't even really riding bike too much like that for real.
But I ain't gonna lie, like this, like bro, this is a good bike though. Like this is a good bike.
Yeah, that bit-
I ain't even gonna cap, bro. It's a good bike, real good bike.
Like I say, shit, since I had it, like I say, sometimes that bit I take buku times to kick and shit like that. But besides that, like shit, when it's cold, that bitch crank like pretty much by first, second kick.
First, second kick.
Yeah, cold. But when that bitch warm up, that when you gotta get kicking on that ball.
That when you gotta.
Yeah, I'm talking about that bitch that broke some slides kicking on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Now you be talking now.
Yeah, that's why. You feel me? I had slides on the try to take them off. I said nah.
Oh yeah, you were comfortable. We had to put the damn.
Bro, for real. Like I said, that bitch ain't never give me no problem like that.
Nah, I could just tell by looking on the inside though. Like, see this bike, like I know for a fact this bike is like good. Like this bike ain't locking up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't no locking up with this bike. Cause I know what I seen, I know what I did. That bike, I can't vouch for that. You see what just happened to me? Wow, I never take a risk like that again, bro. I swear to God, I would never do that again, bro. That just felt scary, like just breaking down like that.
Shit, you had that bitch back when that bitch locked up, didn't you?
Bruh, I did, bro.
That's why I was just
Bruh.
you had that bitch back.
Bruh. And that's why I said I would never, bro. I swear to God. I said that was a 4-stroke, fam. I jumped in the seat or something and locked up. That bitch would have threw me over the handlebar.
Yeah, that bitch would have threw you over.
That's why I can't take a risk like
You was
that.
gonna have an engine brake like that bitch, but that bitch that would have threw your ass over.
Yeah, it would have went over out the gate. And it's a 150. I would have tried to get in the seat, but that bitch would have. That bitch would have face planted me. Real limit update.
Like I said, I like that bitch.
Oh man.
Like I said, for what I was trying to do,
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
I was pretty much finna get rid of that bitch anyway.
So you say two, you take two for it.
Hell yeah, cause shit, I mean, I know you're gonna have to probably do the forts on that bitch. Forts, right?
Oh yeah, the force a little soft.
Forts run you probably a couple hundred and shit like that. Like
But-
that
but-
bitch ain't.
It ain't too bad, but after the little stuff though, this bike gonna be.
Nah, but see, like the forts, when I first got that bitch that night, I felt it or whatever. Cause like I said, I got that bitch at nighttime. I had ass doing like, damn, what the handlebars bit on the
That bitch felt a little.
It felt a little, you feel me? And then like I said, the next day when I was riding that bitch, when I sent you the picture, I was riding it that day. That was the first day I was riding that bitch. The shot, they felt like they got back burned and shit.
Oh,
like
they had
that.
got tight at one point.
Yeah, they had got back tight. That's what I'm saying. They got back tight. You feel me? I had really forgot to tell you about that shit when I brought that bitch.
But about the force, ain't it?
Hell yeah. I got used to it really riding that bitch until I just got back on it.
We got comfortable.
Yeah, until I just got back on it.
God damn. And this a 08, man. Yeah, it's really just the front. That's all it is. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, it's that front.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn.
I think probably Fort Seals though.
The Fort Seals probably just went bad.
I think they busted. Cause like, say, around my way, like say, people ain't changing shit like that.
They just ride.
Hell
Just
yeah.
ride.
That's what I'm saying. Especially like, if you ain't like into racing and shit like that.
You just ride, hang out. Fuck
Like dead ass. Hell yeah.
We ain't jumping no tracks.
Fuck no.
We racing
like
the catwalking anyway. That's it.
Shit, really ain't need catwalking too much.
Oh yeah,
Really
you
just
said that
flat.
strictly.
Like really just flatline, like say whole shots and shit like that.
Yeah, I just seen you did that right there. That bitch say, that bitch sounded good right there. Yeah, I ain't lie. You just did that though. Yeah, man. But that's the only thing, bro. Just the force. The force. That's the only thing.
Nah, like I said, that's it.
But overall, this shit here, this is a real good bike. Yeah, real solid, real solid. See, I'll trust this bike any day.
Yeah. that's
Any
what I'm saying.
day.
Like I said, I trust that bitch. Like I say, I got some property and shit like that. But like down the road, I got like a river and shit like that. Dirt road.
So you can
shit
hang
like
out
that.
how you want to.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I was riding this down there, like you feel me?
That's some shit I'm trying to get in. Some big land and just go wide open.
I ain't gonna count. You do that shit, what you be doing on that dirt? I'll be impressed then.
Hold on. What's that?
I'm talking
What you
about
mean?
like everything. Like what
You talking about like you getting in the seat and stuff? Like jump. I'm gonna tell you something
I'm
though.
talking on dirt though.
I learned in the dirt how to do that.
Yeah.
So I can do that in dirt out the gate.
Okay.
I swear to God, I got videos of that. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna put the videos up.
Yeah.
Jumping in the seat, swerving. I swear to God, I learned in the dirt.
Yeah, that's why I want to see on that dirt.
I'm gonna get in the
That
dirt
shit
just for
done.
you though. I'm gonna get in the dirt just for you.
On that dirt though.
I'm gonna do some shit in the dirt, like catwalking how I doing it, out here
Yeah.
on the dirt,
Yeah.
just for you.
Hey, that dirt gets you right though.
Yeah, it do though.
Like I said,
Nah,
I
that dirt
ride
different.
That dirt before that road. Really.
See, a lot of people that ride on that road, they don't know how to ride on that dirt.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie on that.
But I like the dirt better than the road. Me personally, like.
Yeah. What you like about the dirt more than the road? You think?
Shit, I just say like I'm more comfortable in the dirt. Like, most
Okay.
people get on 450 shit like that in the dirt. They don't want to race in the dirt.
Yeah.
I send that bitch in the dirt.
Oh, so you what a whole shot.
I send that bitch in the dirt.
Hey, nah, cause some people is more comfortable with the road than the dirt.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But now that I got that 450. You feel me? I done been on the road a little bit. That was.
So you got both of both worlds.
Yeah,
you know the
what I'm saying.
road.
That's why I say shit. I'm finna go.
Damn, bro. So you said you finna come Saturday. That's why you want to come Saturday, dog.
I was trying to come last Saturday, but my damn tie separated on me.
Damn, dog.
Like that.
So you finna go out the gate and get the 450?
Hell yeah. I was, bro, like that.
Nah, that's why you got me thinking like, damn, this is...
Bro, dead ass serious, bro.
So where you gonna go at to get it? Like you finna go like from
Shit.
off up, Reva?
Probably, I had them look at Broward Motorsports though.
Oh yeah, Broward Motorsports.
Yeah, they had them yams in there.
What, you gonna get a yam?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm trying to race it. I'm trying to race this focus, like shit like that. Yeah, I'm winning.
Oh, so the 150, you ain't even, cause you're not gonna race the 150.
Hell no, I was just gonna ride this shit around the yard, bro.
Just
like,
the catwalk.
Like, you feel me? Just play with really type shit like that. I was gonna really, like I say, if I did keep it, I was just gonna give it to my son and shit like that.
Oh.
He won. You feel me? But
He won?
yeah, he won, but shit, he gonna be on a bike early. Like,
So you gonna wait till you get a little older
that's
then?
what I was gonna do. You feel me? But
150, y'all know what I'm saying? He got the damn dirt bike rep putting this out the truck, man. Oh, man. Finally got that thing put away, man. He got that thing nicely tucked, man. That's crazy. This how a bike goes inside an 18-wheeler, man. I never seen nothing like that ever in my life, bro. But y'all see I got my boy right, you know what I'm saying, with that V-touch, man, with the 150. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know the vibe, man. The V-touch South Florida vibe, man. Get it in gear, man.